We just picked up this Chevy Cruze, and let me tell you guys, it's rough. When we stumbled upon this car, I thought we found the perfect daily drive work car. But then I tried putting it in reverse. Unfortunately, there is no such thing as reverse in this car. As you can see at my foot, there's a puddle of fluid. That fluid, turns out, is transmission fluid. So I pulled the wheel off, checked to see if there was any fluid in the reservoir, and none come out. So first instinct is we got a leak. Hopefully we can fix that leak and get this car driving. So sit back and relax, and let's hope this cheap car don't turn into a money pit.
Put these over here. Put that up here. Set that up there for later. Lift this one out of here. Oh, what is that? That don't look healthy. Set that right there for now. That looks healthy. Let me get this vacuum cleaner. Now that down there, I don't know if you can see it, but down there is what I gotta get. And right here. Should be minty, right? Right? Tell me I'm right. And I don't know if you can see this, but right there is it. And I'm gonna go and replace one of these while I'm down here. Stay. Go right there. Simple as that. Oh, that's a monster. I don't know which one I should do first. I was wrong. Put it back in the box for later, me. Future Hayden, that's your problem. Gotta pop that retainer clip out. With you. Oh man, I hope you guys can see this. If I don't get this tonight, I'm probably gonna crash out. So let's get it, baby. Wait. Dang, man. Man, I know you look so sexy. Oh shit. Alrighty, now we got that turned down. Chevy Cruze time. I need a screwdriver. Screwdriver, where are you? Screwdriver, come out wherever you are. Okay, if you know me, I asked that you guys would get me some screwdrivers for Christmas because apparently I can't hold on to one to save my life. Gosh! There it is. Why didn't you guys tell me it was over here? Come on, dude. Oh shoot, that easy? That easy? All this other junk has been so difficult. And it's just that easy? I don't buy it. So, hey, where you at? Where you at? Somebody's lying. Off of there. We don't need that. Get that out of here. What'd I say, guys? I just wish that this would go outside the car. Thank you. That is some dirty fluid back there. I got some on my fingers. Fix that real quick. Boom, good as new. And it's still leaking. Come on. Let me see here, right here. Maybe pretty simple. And we're gonna lift this one up, all everywhere. And we're gonna transport it. You might ask where? Out of the freaking car, because I'm sick of this thing. Gonna grab it with this end, that way I don't get transmission fluid all over me. I was touching the wrong line, people. Sorry about that. Come on, wiggle out there. Come on, out of the hole, out of the hole. Just like when you look at. Come on, there you go. All right, we're just gonna. Now that is what bad hoses look like, people. Yeah, you don't want those. Trust me, you don't want those. If anybody tries to sell you those, don't take them. Don't mind the amp steps over there, or the Porsche. It's daddy's money. I wonder if that'll make the cut. That's kind of funny. This one's coming out pretty nice. Did I just jinx it? You know what? It don't really matter. Just gotta bend it the way you want it out and not break anything else or get it fouled like I just did. All right, now you wanna get it out of this cram-a-jam like that. And this is exactly how it looks from factory. Really done a number on that one, huh? Let's get this good sir in there first. Looking all fresh and new. Hey, let me check that right there. Looking spiffy. Looking spiffy there, pal.
Have you guys ever had a Chevy Cruze or any car and vehicle that you've put a lot of work into? If you have, put it in the comments down below. But thank you guys for getting this far. If you would, hit the like button, subscribe, helps the channel a ton. Back to the video.
We just got everything put back together in the car. I'm really hoping that it worked, because if it don't, I'm probably gonna crash out. There's a connection down there that goes into the radiator, but it is the transmission oil cooler stuff. And so I kind of had to jerry rig it, so I really hope it works. And if it don't, yeah, go ahead, keep doing that. What you doing, Vern? Hey, this is my boy Vern here. He's a real player. He's a ladies woman, big tomcat. He gets smacked around a little bit though. Gonna throw everything back together here pretty much, and we're gonna start it, put some transmission fluid in it, and go from there. Gotta get some transmission fluid. I don't think, yeah, no, down there, no good. Yesterday, we replaced these two transmission cooler lines and put that back in, put the battery back in. It didn't even have enough power to crank. So we're gonna go ahead and get this out of here. All right, this one should be good to go. Sounds good, good and juicy. You know that thing was like, nice. Nice. I just wanna make this announcement for if you got this far. We're a small channel, so the algorithm kinda doesn't like us. So if you are enjoying this content, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below if you have done anything similar to this. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please click over because I didn't get any clips yesterday. I'm going, smells a little musty in here. Definitely need a good little deep clean. Okay, I need to start it and add transmission fluid. Okay, that's my bad, camera. What'd I tell y'all boys? What'd I tell you? I think that's from previous fluid. Guys, hold on, I gotta look at you guys. What's this? I did not see a check engine light. Bang, baby. This could be good. This could be really good. It smells like carbon monoxide in here, dude. Shoo, shoo. Yeah, go ahead and wipe all that up, bro. Wipe all that up and put me like a fresh. Oh shoot. What was we low? 2.5 quarts low. All right. We don't want fluid coming out. Hopefully we have to put a little bit more in. Fluid's running out. I'm I'm gonna go ahead and cap that bad girl off. She done. She all right, you know what I'm saying? But she good, bro. Let this fix the problem, please. No check engine lights, which is nice, and we're gonna go ahead and just. All right. Oh my goodness, I don't think I recorded any of that. Dang it. All right, my battery died, and I think I got a clip of me throwing it back, or throwing everything up front back on. It looks pretty good. There's a few spots I'm not perfect with, but let's go ahead and get this pulled out of the garage and go on the first test drive. There's possibly another check engine light, that's why I got this over here. So, I took this wheel off, so I'm gonna go ahead and torque it down. Don't need it flying off going down the road. Always tighten in a star pattern. All right, let's see. That tire ain't low. Brakes are minty. Honestly, guys, it seems fine. Brakes feel good. Let's see what we got here. Run neutral. Feels like a regular car. About the same as any other one I drove. Oh yeah, this thing is fine. Dude, I would call this a win, honestly. Brakes feel very firm. No complaint there. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I was honestly heartbroken. But now that this thing is doing fine, shoot, I'm not even worried about it now. No rattles or nothing. It's been somebody's work car. I mean, it needs a window regulator. We'll fix that. No biggie. We'll retint this. But hey, I would call this a win. Heated seats. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys. Boom, sunroof. Whoa! Who is that? I can't wait to clean this up though. It's gonna come so clean. Dude, look at my head. Gosh, man, I'm glad this thing runs. If you guys did enjoy this video, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps the channel out a ton, and it's free. You can always change your mind. So, this is it for this one. See you guys in the next one.